pwede pa siguro. Pero if it happens that it becomes a pattern, 4, 5, 6, paulit-ulit, then it must be not with the person anymore, but it could be you are attracting that same energy from yung same patterns, that dynamics that you feel comfortable at.
Mm.
Kasi pag hindi ka familiar dun sa dynamics na minamahal, na hindi binubugbog, pag hindi ka familiar sa ganung dynamics, syempre lalayuan mo yan eh, kasi hindi ka familiar dun eh. Pero growing up, ang familiarity sa'yo ng pagmamahal ay binubugbog, sinasaktan, kasi nakikita sa parents, or ganito, minumura, and all that stuff. And that's familiarity growing up, di ba? So, ngayon, since so doon nagkakaroon ngayon ng ibang attachment styles. Then I will talk about that on a latter part, no? But we are talking about the trauma.